Very good afternoon, children. Yesterday we had completed our exercise 4A. Today we are starting exercise 4B. In exercise 4B, I am doing question number 1. The question number 1 is find the value of each of the following using the shortcut method. Means to say that we have to find out the cube of 25 using the shortcut method. So first of all, we will consider two variable A and variable B. The value of A will be 2 and value of B will be 5. So using this formula, the formula I have written here, using this formula, we will follow the shortcut method. Using this formula, we will find out the cube of 25, and according to this formula, we will keep the values. In place of A, we will write 2, and in place of B, we will write 5. So A square multiplied by A, that is A cube, and A square multiply 3B, that is 3A square multiply B, 3A square multiply B, and B square multiply 3A, that is 3A multiply B square. B square multiplied by B, that means B cube. So in place of A we will write 2, and in place of B we will write 5. Here it is written A square, that means we have to write 2 to the power 2 square, and it is A is written here, we will write 2. In next block, A square, that means 2 square, 3 is written, we will write 3 same here, and the value of B is 5, we will write 5 here. In third block, it is written B square, that means the value of B is 5, that means we will write 5 square, 5 square. Then 3A, 3 we will write here same, and the value of A has been given 2, 3 2 are 6, 3 into 2 we will write. In next block it is B square, that means we will write 5 square multiply B is written, the value of B is 5. Again in answer block it is written A to the power 3, that means it will be 2 to the power 3. 3A square multiply B, that means 3, the value of A is 2, that's why it is 2 to the power 2 into B, that means 5. Next B to the power 2, that means B to the power 2 means 5 to the power 2 into 3 multiply A, 3 multiply 2. So 3 multiply 2 into 5 to the power 2. In last block it is B square written, that means 5 square multiply B, that means 5. It will written as B to the power 3, that means 5 to the power 3. Now we have put all the values according to given formula. Now we will calculate it. 2 to the power 2 means 2 2s are 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. 2 to the power 3, if we will do the power 3 of 2, that means 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Again 2 to the power 2, 4, 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60. Again 5 to the power 2, that means 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 6. So 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 53s are 150, 25 6 are 150. Same. Next 5 to the power 2, that means 5 5s are 25 into 5, 5 to the power 3 means 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, like 25 5s are 25, 125. Again we will underline the values of ones place. 5 is written as ones place, here 2 is written, here 6 is written, and here it is 15. So we will add the values which are on tens place and hundred place. 12 is written here, so we will add 12 in 150, then it will be 162. Now we will underline 2, so 16 is left, we will add 16 in second block. Now 60 plus 16 is equal to 76, so 6 is underlined, so we will add 7 in 8, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So 25 to the power cube, 25 to the power 3, that means it can be written as 15625, like 15 we will take 15625. So 25 to the power 3, the answer will be 15,625. Thank you class.